an iconic figure who revolutionized modern art through his innovative and daring approach to painting. Jackson Pollock was an American artist born in 1912 in Cody, Wyoming. He was the youngest of 5 brothers in a family marked by instability and freaking moves across the western United States.
Lying on his sheets, he did not do the same. Even his boots were
His father, a surveyor, and his mother, an ambitious yet strict figure, had a profound effect on Pollock's early life, which was often tumultuous. Artistic inspiration came from his older brother, Charles, a painter, and early exposure to Native American art during travels with his father. Pollock moved to New York City in 1930 to study at the Art Students League under the American painter Thomas Hart Benton. Benton's emphasis on dynamic, flowing compositioning influenced Pollock's early work. Though Pollock quickly moved beyond his teacher's representational style, the 1930s were a formative period for him, marked by employment with the WPA Federal Art Project and an increasing fascination with Mexican muralists like David Siqueiros, whose experimental techniques informed Pollock's approach to materials. Pollock's struggles with alcoholism began early in his career, and he sought therapy, which encouraged his exploration of mythological and symbolic themes in his art. By the 1940s, Pollock developed his signature style, culminating in the drip technique that defined his most celebrated works. This method, in which he poured, dripped, and flung paint onto canvases spread on the floor, allowed him to engage physically with his art, creating bold, energetic compositions that defied conventional painting methods. The late 1940s and early 1950s marked Pollock's peak. His drip period produced iconic works such as Autumn Rhythm and Convergence. With support from his wife, artist Krasner, and patron Peggy Guggenheim, Pollock rose to prominence, earning acclaim as the pioneer of abstract expressionism. Despite his success, Pollock faced growing criticism and struggled with self-doubt, leading to a return to darker, more somber works in the 1950s. Pollock's personal life was fraught with difficulties. His relationship with Krasner became strained under the weight of his alcoholism and infidelity, and his creative output diminished. On August 11, 1956, Pollock died in a car accident near his home in New York, bringing a tragic end to his turbulent life at just 44 years old. Though his career was brief, Pollock's influence on modern art has been profound. His wife, Krasner, played a crucial role in preserving his legacy, managing his estate, and establishing the Pollock-Krasner Foundation to support emerging artists. Today, Pollock's groundbreaking works are celebrated worldwide, solidifying his status as one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. And that's a wrap on today's topic. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next videos.